All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Onto this, Governor Seyi Makinde sends strong warning over the reactions of people informations flying around that Yoruba land has been invaded by terrorists. All right, my brother, my sister, the news in details. On today's, Engineer Seyi Makinde, the governor of Oyo State, has advised prudence when sharing information on the explosion in Bodija, Ibadan. He stressed the negative effect of disseminating false information and fake news, which may cause panic in the general public. He brought attention to instances of misleading information going around, including as reports of terrorist attack in Yoruba territory. He made it clear that the people behind this act might not even be in Nigeria. He voiced doubt about the veracity of the information and the related ludicrous story about someone claiming to have paid for the medical care of explosion victims. He bemoaned the general mistrust of leaders and called attention to the decline in public trust in the government, highlighting the necessity of responsible communication. He said in a press conference reported by TVC, he says, and I quote, "Let us refrain from spreading fake news and misinformation that could potentially cause panic within the populace. There are some misinformation going on right now. I saw on our platform where some people said Yoruba land has been invaded by terrorists, and then these are people who may not even be anywhere near Nigeria. Talk less of Oyo State. Let us be mindful of what we say." I read funnily on a platform where somebody said they were being asked to pay to receive medical treatment. Who should people believe? Should they believe the random people or myself, the governor and the chief security officer of the state? That is how we have sunk as a country. We have a situation where people doubt their leaders. There is the trust deficit between the government and the people. All right, and then exactly what is actually reaching us right now. Well, a lot of people are actually reacting in different forms. In fact, somebody is making it known to us right now that even if this is not true, with what we are even facing in the country alone, it means it is even worse than what you are talking about. Well, good enough that you know that they had trust deficit between the leaders and the lead. Now check yourself and see who is being economical with the truth to protect political interest at the detriment of the people. Well, it is only when their direct family members are affected that they will agree that banditry is real. Was not when an Afenifere chieftain daughters was killed by S-men that the governors in the west decided to set up a Motekun. That is the way they operate. Well, my brother, my sister, I think we all understand what is going on. Well, a lot of people have reacted in different forms. The governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde, had debunked the rumor that the terrorist has invaded Yoruba land. Though there's been a kind of chaos in Bodija in Oyo State, but right now a lot of people are not even trusting anybody because the so-called bandits can also use this avenue to invade the town, to invade villages, of which we have been experiencing as far as the country is concerned, my brother, my sister, it's only the good Lord that will help us. It's only the good Lord that can save us, because with what is going on right now, nobody even understands the truth and exactly what it is. We need to actually wake up and then be ready to do the needful. Yes, we need to wake up and be ready to do the needful. Right now, whether you believe it or not, Nigerians has passed a vote of no confidence in the political and the ruling class of Nigerian government, from local to federal, mainly because there is no strong institution, no law to checkmate the excess of the ruling class, and because of their so-called immunity, they trampled upon the right of the citizens. No social amenities, no security, and the economy is in shambles. And then as it stands, the masses are at the receiving end of the maladministration of the corrupt Nigerian rulers. All right, and then exactly what is going on. So to you, it is right to be spreading lies, but okay, this one is being said by Christiana SHØÇKÍNG. Well, the fact remains that the people are already tired. Either they are telling us bandits are taking over or not. In fact, with what the people are facing right now alone is even worse than when bandits come into the land, come into the society. A lot of people are hungry. Many people are buying on a daily basis simply because the economy itself had been so bad on them. So if you are talking about the fact that bandits invade the town, I think what the people are even facing is worse than bandits coming into the town and invading their houses. And exactly how we have actually seen it. Well, it is not true. Well, you better wake up from your slumber and face reality before it is too late. The fact remains that as far as this country is concerned, the people are actually suffering, and the kind of suffering is even worse than anything you can think of. That is why, as in Nigeria, we all need to come together in one addendum. Let us all tell ourselves the truth. Let us always learn to tell the truth. It's that same truth that will definitely set us free. Well, this one is coming from Wilson Ike. It says, well, when leaders are economical with the truth, insinuation and then speculation becomes the order of the day. We now hear illegal miner everywhere has been responsible. Where is the chief security officer of the state? Has he been sleeping when, and then how long has this been going on? What mineral are they mining? Well, who are the faceless miners? Well, the generality of Nigerians need answers to these questions. Well, it is only in Niger Delta that the Ijaw should drive their boat on sea and then drink their sputum. All right, my brother, my sister, I think a lot of people have actually spoken well in different manners onto this one. Yeah, so it had been made clear that the government earlier before now had been so economical with the truth. Nobody is not ready to tell the truth, and exactly why we are all being faced with what we are being faced with this time around. Well, it's only the good Lord that will continue to help us and save us from this set of people. Well, meanwhile, my brother, my sister, is a great one. What more can we say onto this? Let me have your own take, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.